Terry, if you went to purchase, as long as the teams weren't taken, it should have went through. Sometimes it just takes a little bit to update on eBay. All right, guys, here we go. This is Donruss Optic retail. And we had Washington was available. They are purchased now, so we're sold out on this one. Thanks again, guys, for helping fill these breaks. Get your guesses in for the player on the last stars parallel. This is 22 Donruss Optic retail, 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. We'll have the 100 and stars parallels possible in here. We're looking for a downtown. I pulled quite a few downtowns out of these retail boxes. Find 10 rated rookies per box on average. There was a time when the hobby was 1,000. You could get these for around 200. You could get 5 of these boxes per one hobby, and they were for as many downtowns as I was pulling. These are way better value. I don't know now. The pricing's changed quite a bit on all this stuff. That was this summer. There's our empty box. Get those guesses in. Let's get started. We got 2 breaks left. Anybody wants to grab spots on those, let me know. Or, I mean, go grab them and then let me know that you grabbed them. Michael Pittman, Jamar Chase, Christian McCaffrey, Devin Lloyd. It's weird to see the 22 class after all this 2023 stuff I've been open. Nick Bolton, Micah Parsons, Leonard Williams. There's a stars parallel of Kyle Phillips. We have J.K. Dobbins, Aaron Jones, Cameron Jordan, Treylon Burks. Donta Foreman, Shaquille Leonard, Kyle Duggar. There's a rookie lighted up, Brock Purdy. We have Tyler Boyd, Mac Jones, George Pickens on the hollow Optichrome rated rookie. There's Sam Williams on the rated rookie. We have T. Higgins, L'Jarius Sneed, DK Metcalf, Jerome Bettis on the retro series. Tony Romo, Rashad Bateman, Brandon Ayuk, Eric Zukanama. A.J. Dillon, DJ Moore, TJ Watt, stars parallel of Roquan for Baltimore. Top one some after this pack here. We got DeForest Buckner, Carson Palmer, Donovan McNabb, Kyle Phillips. Get those guesses in for the player on the last stars parallel. We'll set that there. Currently it's Roquan Smith. I'm sure we'll get plenty more stars parallels after this, but let's put him off to the side. I'll try to keep track of that last stars parallel. We got 2 breaks left. We have our Mosaic 3 blaster box break following this one, and then our Bowman 2 monster box break. We have James Conner, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, Mike Williams. We have Russell Wilson, Mark Andrews, Hunter Renfrow, Josh Pascal. Sean Gary, Brian Burns, Jonathan Allen, Eric Zukanama on the stars parallel. Peyton Manning, Deshaun Watson, Kevin Byard, Trayvon Walker, Marquise Brown, Jerry Jeudy, Antoine Winfield, the rookies, Breece Hall. Odafe, Tom Brady, a hollow of Mike Williams, Ty Chandler rated rookie. Laramie Tunsil, oops. There's Tony Gonzalez. Austin Eckler. Cooper Kupp is our current last stars parallel. We got 4 packs left. Patrick Queen. Jair Alexander. Justin Jefferson. Tom Brady. My House Hollow. Let's get some of these top loaded. We got our last 3 packs. Cooper Kupp is currently in the lead for our last stars parallel. We'll see if that holds. We got 3 packs left. All right, last 3 packs. Can we hit it downtown? We have more stars parallels in here. Let's check it out. Good luck, everybody. We have Derek Brown, Trevor Lawrence, Mike Gesicki. We have a Neal on the rated rookie. We do have another star, Nick Chubb, J.J. Watt, Jalen Ramsey, Kyler Murray. And our last pack of the break. Looks like Kyler is going to be our guest. There's Patrick Surtain, Josh Allen, Antonio Gates, Chris Olave on the rated rookie. Kyler Murray was our guest of the break. Last stars parallel. If we had any Kyler Murray guesses, you got 20 credit headed your way. We did not get a Kyler Murray guess. Let's do our recap, then we'll move on to Mosaic. Here's Kyler Murray. Here's our final stars parallel. We have Chris Olave, Cooper Kupp, Eric Zuccanama, Mike Williams, Roquan Smith, Mike Williams Hollow, Tom Brady, My House Hollow, Kyle Phillips lighted up, Brock Purdy, George Pickens rated rookie Hollow. All right, that does it for this one. Up next is our Mosaic 3 blaster box break. That is a PYT 156. 156 on that one. Let's get that list updated. Where are we at? The blaster box. Oh, there we go. We are full on this one as well. We get this list updated. Get your guesses in on this one. There should be 1 red insert parallel per box. Let's do the orange fluorescence. No. We'll do the red. Guess the player on the last Fanatics red insert. That's what we're going to do. It could be a... Could be just about anybody as far as the inserts go. Let's get those guesses in for that. We'll get this list updated. We'll get this one started in just a moment.